Good evening, everyone. My name is Anna Hopkins. My paper is about the medical uses for marijuana. To inform the audience of the issues of medical marijuana is used as a stimulant for children and adults who suffer from various ailments. For people who seek a different choice in medical marijuana has been known to help people who suffer from various medical conditions, and its users are known to get a relief from its uses. Medical marijuana is derived from a marijuana plant that has hundreds of chemicals that are known as cannabinoids, and two main ones are called THC and CBD. THC has effects that treat medical problems. Researchers suggest that CBD may have helpful issues that will not cause someone to get high. Two drugs that have impediment found in marijuana are called Dronabinol has synthetic THC that are to treat nausea from loss of chemical therapy and extreme willingness in patients with AIDS. Naproxen is used for man-made chemical that is similar to THC. In 1996, California voters legalized medical marijuana, which is now half of the United States. A doctor can okay you if you buy it from an authorized seller that is known dispensary if it is legal in your state. Studies have shown that medical marijuana may help relieve seizures if taken as a drug. This medicine is a chemical called CBD. Multiple sclerosis pharmaceutical version of cannabis is approved in 25 countries as a treatment for painful muscle spasms, arthritis, and multiple sclerosis. There are benefits for use of medical marijuana for people who suffer from many symptoms. These many symptoms consist of cancer, seizures, and arthritis, epilepsy, obsessive compulsive disorder, and autism, and psychiatric diagnosis. My sister-in-law, who uses the CBD, which is hemp oil, for arthritis, for her pain relief. Marijuana is used in candy, pudding, brownies, eye drops, and chips. Marijuana is very satisfying with their marijuana is very satisfying with patients of their treatments, and patients will recommend medical marijuana to friends and also their loved ones. Since learning about medical uses of marijuana, I agree about the uses of it. It can be very beneficial and therapeutic for a lot of people who suffer from various ailments. This has been known to be life-changing for people, and it helps people cope with their suffering. And they can have parents can have an alternative option when choosing a different medicine for their child. Learning about the use of medical marijuana gave me an open-minded approach to all the different possibilities of uses of marijuana. Thank you everyone for listening to my speech. Good night.